Good morning from Heathrow T4. Supposed to be flying to Hanoi, Vietnam this morning, and that's not happening. They're putting us up in a hotel, so I'm going to show you what happens when your flight's cancelled at Heathrow. Let's go. Now, we all got through security, we were sat waiting to board the plane, and they said there's a problem with the plane, it's unserviceable. So rather than have a wing fall off somewhere over the ocean, they're putting us up in a hotel for the night. They're giving us food vouchers, and hopefully we're going to go tomorrow, so remains to be seen what happens. Now, everyone that's supposed to be on the plane has been led through the airport. Worryingly, we've been led to the baggage carousels despite being told that we're not picking our luggage up, so another bit of confusion there. I don't know how many people are supposed to be on the plane. If you know the answer, it's a 787 Dreamliner. I think it's a Dash 9. If you know how many people are supposed to be on it, leave a comment. Still sat at baggage claim, despite the fact we're apparently not collecting our bags. Because no one will probably leave a comment, the answer is 290 passengers, so it's about 300 people they have to put up in a hotel, plus staff. I don't know if we're all going to go in the same one, or if we're going to be split up between different hotels. I don't really know anything, because no one's really communicating anything, so fingers crossed it all works out. And hopefully the next time I shoot any clips, I'll be sat on a bus, going to a hotel, waiting for someone to give me breakfast. They're currently checking people's boarding passes one by one off of a reel of about 30 pages of paper. Nice modern technology here they've got for these processes, obviously. And still we sit at baggage claim. Just like that, 75 minutes after we were supposed to take off, we're at the airport and we're getting put on a coach. Let's see what happens next. Right, approximately 2.5 hours after we were told that we wouldn't be flying today, we've been checked into the courtyard by Marriott. We're no longer near Terminal 4, I think we might be nearer Terminal 5 because there's a bunch of BA planes around the corner. They've given us vouchers for food, which is a bit ominous because they're expecting us to be here for a while. And I guess I'll go and show you what the rooms are like. Perfect view if you're an aviation enthusiast. Let's go and find the room. Right, as you can see, it's not the worst room in the world. Unfortunately, we're very close to the runways behind me. And the planes are very loud, so I'm not sure how much rest I'm actually going to get in this room, but whatever. Right, 5 PM. I'm kind of running out of things to do now. There's not a lot to do in this hotel. There's still been no communication whatsoever from Vietnam Airlines. Not an email, not an SMS. However, there's a lot of people from the flight milling around downstairs looking for something to do. And we have heard from someone's tour operator that they're planning to fly us at 7 PM tomorrow, so that's another 26 hours away, and the guy at the front desk has kind of confirmed this by saying that they're planning to pick us up on a coach at 3 p.m. So fingers crossed everything stays as it is, and we do eventually get there. We are going to be able to claim £520 now, allegedly, which I won't complain about too much. Lunch was a buffet. We were given vouchers, but they never checked the voucher. Dinner's at 7. I'll check in again then. See you in a bit. Right, as you've just seen in the letter that they slipped underneath the door, it's now been confirmed that we'll fly tomorrow at 7 o'clock. We get picked up from here at 3. I've just had a shower and I'm going to go down and get some dinner now. Speaking of showers, they do give us everything here. There's shampoo, shower gel, conditioner. They did give me a toothbrush and a tiny little thing of toothpaste when I asked as well. The only thing that I've had to go out and buy is deodorant, so they've sorted us out. They've done all right. Right, now it looks like we finally have a resolution, and I'm scheduled to fly to Hanoi tomorrow at 7 p.m. I'm going to wrap the video up there. I didn't film anything at dinner because it was a buffet again. I think everyone had the same idea to go down at once because it got a little bit chaotic. If you enjoyed the video, or if it helped you out because you're in the same position that I was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It does help more people see it. Subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in Vietnam.